Welcome to this video on how to use Library Search, the University of Queensland Library's discovery tool. You can use Library Search to find online and print resources like books, articles, and videos in our collection. You'll get the first results by first logging in. This gives you immediate access to all the resources available to you as current UQ students or staff. You can also view your library account for loans and requests, check your print balance, book a room, locate your course readings, and find your saved searches. The basic search is the default. You can use it to search for everything, including course reading lists and past exams. Search results can be adjusted using filters to display specific options such as available online, content types, language, or publication date. These filters can make your results more focused or broader depending on the filters you add or remove. The advanced search lets you structure your search. You can specify information like the title or author. You can also combine your terms using and, or not, choose a content type, or add a date range. Adding more options will make your search more focused. View the full record of a search result by clicking on it. This will provide a link to an online version if available, or the call number and location if it's a physical copy. You can also place requests by clicking on Place Request. You can request items from another campus, from the warehouse, or if it is already on loan. If it is a Fryer Library item, click Make an appointment to request access and follow the steps. If you have a search you want to keep, click on Save Search or Create Alert. Your search will be saved in My Favorites. You can also be alerted when new material matching that search is added. Your results can be printed, emailed, or exported to referencing software like EndNote. To export, click on Show Export Options, the three dots to the right of a record. You can do this from single or multiple items. For multiple items, check the box on the left for each record and go to Show Export Option dots above the results list. A citation tool is available to assist with referencing. Various styles are included, like APA 7th, Vancouver, and Chicago. To view the reference for an item, click on the quote mark next to the record. Choose your style and copy it to the clipboard if needed. Remember to double-check it for accuracy. Visit our Using Library Search guide or contact the library for more information.